YouTube doing a video, and today I'm going to be showing you guys a really simple method to implement some products links, basically payment links with Stripe. Instead of like implementing a full-on e-commerce to your website, let me show you an example. So if I just go into my localhost 3000 and go into membership over here, I want to do like a subscription model for my customers. So if I click on any of these links right now, it's going to take me to just a link for the checkout. So that is fine. So we could do that. So that is what I'm going to do for the membership cards and also the about cards. Instead of just implementing a full-on uh, like e-commerce section, this is so much easier and it's just what the user needs. Okay, so we're also gonna add in like a button over here just for like the contact page in case the customer wants to contact us. So to do that, all you actually really need to do is just go into Stripe, okay, and just sign up to Stripe, and just search something called Stripe payment link, okay. So let me just, and this is basically what it looks like on the back end. So what I'm gonna do is basically just get in the link over here. So you're basically gonna, after signing up, you're gonna go into your dashboard. Let me close everything up and actually do that from, yeah, let's get to it. So, you're just gonna go into your home after signing up and then go into products. Basically, you're just gonna create your product because since that we're in like a gym subscription, like in my project, I'm not really actually implementing an e-commerce section because that is not necessary for just like 4 cards and like 4 or 3 classes. So basically gonna have like 7 products or 8 products. So we could just create individual links for each of them and just add them in Sanity. So that is an option we could implement Stripe with, if you didn't know that. So basically you're just gonna create a product over here. So you could name it membership cards like I did before. Membership cards. Then upload an image for just to show the user when they go to the page. So that is going to be the same image for all links, but that is fine. Okay, let's go back over here. Choose the standard pricing, choose whatever currency you want, and then add in like $100. For my project, I have like 125, 70, and 80, and 200. So I'm just going to do like a simple kind of method over here. So you could just add in another price and then you could choose a one-time payment like for the monthly payment. Okay, and you could choose a recurring payment if you want to for all the products. Okay, so you could add in 4 prices like I did over here and just choose US dollar. Okay, I'm not gonna add this product right now because I already have one, but like I said, you could just add in prices like I did over here and just add in some description. So afterwards, you're just gonna create a payment link over here. I left this one blank because basically it's gonna give you a link over here you could just add into your uh, like basically you could add into your uh, product. So that is what we're gonna be doing basically. So if I go over here, you're gonna find out that right now we're on the classes one. So here it is. And we could also remove this text, okay? So we're just gonna match each card price to this link over here instead of implementing a full-on e-commerce solution because that is basically gonna make our life so much like it's not necessary for this project, like unless we're building like a merchandise product. So if you guys want that in the project, just let me know and I'll figure out a way like by Redux or something. Uh, but for now, let's continue from here. Okay, so afterwards, just go into your backend, and all I'm actually just gonna add into our old schema that I did before is that I'm just gonna add in a link over here. Okay, and in the membership cards section, if you already did that, so I'm just gonna map over our links. Okay, so I'm just gonna go over here, and instead of the href that I have over here, I'm just gonna membership card dot, and in the back end I mentioned it as stripe link. So I could just take that, put it here. Okay. So let's check out what links right now we have in the Sanity backend. So again, since that we do not have that many products, you do not really need to connect Sanity to it, but we're just going to be connecting the payment links to them. So we're just going to go to membership. I'm go to annual, for example, or actually this one, I'm sorry, classes one. Okay, and I'm just going to copy the link, add it over here, publish and update. So we could then go again, membership annual, and go to products again. We could just copy uh, the link from each one over here. You're gonna see the view payment link. So which one we wanna, the annual one. So you're just gonna create a payment link, and here it is. So create a link, and then you could just copy the link, add it over here, and publish. So this is like a catalog subscription system, like you could call it that, because basically in case like you want to change any of these, you could just uh, basically just change the link over here, or you could integrate it later on with like migrating to something like Next.js or something like that, but I don't want to talk more about this. Let's actually just check out the product links over here, and let's check out if they work. So let's go. This one is the, let's just give it a moment or two to actually update the links. Okay, so actually got it correctly. So we got the $100 one and the $25 one and also the $80 one. And then the, okay, this one does not have a link, so we could just add a link for it. So, yep, just copy it and go back to your local host 333. This is the back end that we set up before. So it matched the prices, as you can see right now. We just need to add in one last link. So I'm going to go into membership. And where is it? Classes. And I just got the link for it over here. I just messed up the currency, but that's fine. Again, just make sure to match the currency in all of them. Okay. So maybe just needed a moment or two to update it. Yeah. And we can also give it the target of blank. So target, yep, of blank. So when the customer like presses on it, we don't want the customer to go out of the gym or the website that you have installed. So Yeah. So that is the last thing we're gonna add, just to the MDB button or to your link, just the target of link. And that is pretty much it, you guys. So thank you for watching the video. And basically, this is gonna be the same thing in classes. I'm just gonna record this and add the footer, and I'm just gonna compile these videos for you guys. Okay. So see you guys in the next video. This was Angle EDU, and peace.